Children, today we are going to read the fourth chapter in your textbook, that is Becoming Great. Open page number 46. Children, we all have some heroes in our life, like whom we think that we want to become like that. We all have a dream to achieve that. We want to become a cricketer or a foot uh, anything, a politician or maybe a film star, a writer, dancer, anything. So, what do we do for that? We have to work hard to achieve our dreams. So, this chapter is also one of those. It's about a person who achieved her dreams and became a great personality. So, let us read the chapter. Do you have any heroes? Is there someone you really admire? Is there someone you would wish to be like one day when you are older? Well, it is always possible. All the great people in the world were once as young as you are now. All the great painters, musicians, sporting greats, the writers, dancers, film stars, and others. They were all children before they grew up and achieved greatness. So, children, that is what? Like, all the great personalities, they were once upon a time, they were also small kids like you people, you are now. So, at that time, they thought of becoming something. They had a dream to become some great personalities and they worked hard to become like that when they grew old. So, at this age, if you have any dreams, then definitely you can fulfill it. One day you too could become great. But remember, there is a hard road ahead because greatness does not come too easily. So, this is what we have to work hard to become great. Here is a story about someone who did become great. Let us read that. In the northeast of India, in the beautiful state of Manipur, a poor couple lived in a village called Kangathi. They worked hard as manual laborers in the fields. On 1 March 1983, they had their first child. They named her Mangte Chongijang Mary Com. So, children, this story is about Mary Com. So, she was from Manipur. Her parents were manual laborers in the fields and she was born on 1st March 1983. From a young age, Mary helped her parents by working with them and by looking after her siblings when she wasn't at school. So, after coming back from school, she used to help her mother by taking care of her siblings, her brothers and sisters. Mary enjoyed playing sports and was especially good at athletics. She was strong and supple and fast. Mary went to the town of Moirang to continue her education but struggled with the final exams. Mary knew how important education is, so she went on to complete her exams through the National Open School. So, she was a good student, but she was very much interested in sports and athletics, and she tried hard for that. In 1998, Mary kept up with the news of the Asian Games. She watched as Dinko Singh, who was also from Manipur, worked his way up to winning gold in boxing. Mary was inspired by Dinko's strength, skill, and speed. She wanted to be a boxer. So, there was a person called Dinko Singh. He was also from Manipur. She started watching and following him, and she also wanted to become a great boxer after watching him. Mary's parents and other people she knew did not understand why Mary was interested in boxing. They thought that it was highly unusual for a woman to want to be a boxer. So, her villagers and even her parents, they also did never understood that why is she interested in boxing, what she wants to do. It was very unusual that a woman wants to become a boxer. What will she do after becoming a boxer? She went to the boxing academy in Imphal and started training. She was relentless, often putting in extra hours of training at night. Her determination and practice soon saw results. So, even though everyone was not interested, she thought that no, I will move on, move ahead. And then she joined a boxing academy in Imphal and started her training. And after few days, she started showing her results as well. In 2001, she came second in the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship. In 2002, she entered again and came first. So, as I told you, she worked hard towards becoming a boxer. And then she joined Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship. In 2001, she came second, and again she participated in the next year and she came first. Mary Kom is often called Magnificent Mary because of her accomplishments. She has been the world amateur boxing champion 5 times. So she has participated and even she has won 5 times this World Amateur Boxing Championship. In the 2012 Summer Olympics in London, women's boxing was allowed for the first time. Mary fought tirelessly and won the chance to represent India. So she was the one who represented India for the Summer Olympics in 2012, which was held in London. So see children, she worked hard and she represented our country as well. Mary fought tirelessly and won the chance to represent India. At the Olympics, Mary stayed focused through round after round and match after match until she won the bronze medal for India. So she never lost any hope. She moved on and till she gets a prize. So she finally won the bronze medal for India in that Olympics. This secured her a place in sports history. In the 2014 Asian Games, Mary became even more of a sensation when she won the gold medal in South Korea. So in 2014 Asian Games, she again won the gold medal. In recognition of her achievements in 2013, Mary was awarded the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian honor in India. She was previously awarded the Padma Shri in 2010 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's most prestigious sports award. So she has won many awards. Among these are those won the Padma Bhushan Award, the Padma Shri in 2010, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. So she has won many awards. Mary, let us know about her personal life. Mary got married in 2005 and she and her husband have 3 sons. They live in Imphal as well as training arduously. Mary campaigns for various causes. She promotes animal rights. She encourages people to volunteer and work to improve their communities. So she encourages people to become sports personalities and to improve for the betterment of our communities. Mary is passionate about promoting health and fitness. She teaches disadvantaged children how to box, thereby passing on the skills of determination, speed, agility, power, endurance, and mental toughness. She helps people by going through. She helps the people of her state and encourages them to move on in this field of sports. You can learn more by watching the film about her life or reading her autobiography, Unbreakable. There is also an autobiography named Unbreakable and even a movie, so you can watch that to know more about her. Today, Mary is a hero to many school children like you, but you must never forget that you too can become great one day if you do everything to the best of your ability and take the chances that are offered to you in life. So, children, you also can become great one day if you start from now onwards. If you have any dreams, start to achieve your dreams, going towards your dreams and achieving it from now on so that you can fulfill it. Children, I have sent the question answers and the notes, so write it down in your notebook.